Ready? All right, welcome back to Fabrication 101. My name is Andrew Lamer. This is going to be my entrance into the Flex Rocks and Rollovers wild card application to be in the rain, or not the Rain of Rocks. That's one of their other series. The 24 Hours Hell and Back Challenge. Anyway, so talk about a little bit about myself, a little bit about more about my Bronco here, and you can see it's getting a little bit of work done on it right now. It's just some maintenance stuff. Did some couple of deep water crossings a few months back, and needed to drain the oil out of the differential, plus clean all of the sand out of the tubes. And plus we're going to be doing a couple of other things to it as well. But anyway, this is a 1968 Bronco. It currently has a 4-cylinder Cummins diesel in it. We'll go ahead and pull this open so we can see. Hopefully it's not too dark out here. So this is my 1968 Bronco again. 4-cylinder Cummins diesel. It is turbocharged. It does have the cool P pump on it. Air compressor, a lot of other goodies, including the Premier Power Welder. Here we go. Have a Dana 60 in the front, which currently has 513 gears and an ARB air locker. 3-link suspension, coilovers. It works pretty well. Made it to the 4BT transmission is a Ford C6 transmission. It's a little bit modified. It's got the first gear planetary set out of an AOD. Give it a little bit lower first range. It's got reverse manual valve body and some other goodies in there from Art Car. That is mated to an Atlas 2. 4-to-1, I believe, or is it a 3.8? I can never quite remember. 4-to-1, I'm pretty sure. Behind that, or the rear axle, currently a Dana 60 rear that is 35 splined with a Detroit locker and 513 gears back there. All that stuff runs the 42-inch Pitbull rockers that are mounted on custom bead-locked wheels. I probably should get them. So just a little bit about myself. I'm currently a high school and college welding instructor, but this is a passion of mine. I've been doing it a long time. A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, I worked for a shop in Colorado called Avalanche Engineering. I don't think they're around anymore, but I got to build some pretty awesome rigs. Got to learn a lot about building rock crawlers and all that kind of stuff, and got to develop the passion for being off-road and having fun. I kind of started this rig long before my YouTube channel, which is Fabrication 101, or this YouTube channel, Fabrication 101. The goal of my channel was to show my students and other young people that it's cool to get out and build stuff with your hands. The skills that we're developing in our programs through welding and all that kind of stuff can give you a lot of ability to do a lot of different things. The freedom to build some pretty cool stuff, as my opinion, I guess. So we've been out to Sand Hollow a couple of times. Probably my favorite trail out there. It's got to be the Fallen Trail. That's a super awesome trail with a really cool meaning behind it. That V-notch climb at the end is pretty awesome. Or near the end of the trail, I guess. But that's a pretty fun one. The Ledges Trail is also really cool. It's been a long time since I've been to Moab, and I haven't taken this rig there yet. But I don't even know if it's still open anymore. But the Heldorados were some awesome trails. I haven't been on that in a long time. It might show if those trails aren't even open anymore. We got some pretty cool trails here in Arizona. Terminator is a fun one that we can do down south by Phoenix. We're in northern Arizona. We started going up Die Hard a while back. Got about halfway and we just ran out of time. And the other rigs that were on the trail with me weren't really interested in going any further. So that would be a fun one to go back and try to conquer again or get back after. We live here in northern Arizona, a small town called Cornville, actually central of Arizona, but pretty much anything north of Phoenix is considered northern Arizona. Let's see, I'm about 43 years old, approximately 43 years old. I've been wheeling well over 20 years now. I got my start long time ago when I was a kid. I had a Ford Ranger that was on 38s for a while. I had an Isuzu Amigo that was on 35s for a while, all kinds of stuff. I've always been into this stuff. I worked for a shop in Colorado called Avalanche Engineering for a few years before I left there and came back here. Now I'm a teacher. I'm a high school welding instructor, college welding instructor, which I enjoy very much. Hopefully training the next generation of people that'll build stuff like this with their hands. So. And yeah, I hope I get the chance to be on this trip. I hope I get picked. I think it'd be a tremendous opportunity for me and a lot of fun and a great place to challenge my rig. So anyway, my name is Andrew Lamer. This is my YouTube channel, Fabrication 101. And again, this is my, I guess, wild card application to the 24-hour Hell and Back Challenge presented by Flex Rocks and Rollovers. Thank you.